Hi guys, Pickbeard here. I'm going to try and pick for you a Yale closed shackle padlock. Quite big. Don't know the full spec of it or anything, but I'll just go with it. There is the bitting on the key. Don't know if you can see that very well. Try and bring that in a bit closer. Nothing too major. There's the key. And look in working order. Locked up, and let's get this thing picked. This is about my fourth go at trying to do this, but my camera angles are rubbish. Peace and Jim. And I'm not very good at picking padlocks, as I'm sure most of you are aware. So this could take some time, and you might not see an awful lot, but I'm trying my best. Anyway, sometimes your best isn't really good enough. I do tend to over-tension this a hell of a lot, picking in hand, and the usual, you'd probably laugh your backside off if you saw the way I was trying to pick around this camera. It's a cross between lock picking, twister and UFC grapple. Really, I'm trying to get a decent angle for you guys. So let's start again at the back. And get this thing blooming picked. There we go. So once I've got my angle right and my arm in a nice place, I got it picked. Happy days. I'll remember that one for next time. So just show you back in working order. So Yale closed shackle padlock picked. Thanks for watching guys. Pickbeard out.